Functions of law. Law is a set of rules, regulations, and standards established by administrative authorities to guide and regulate the behavior of individuals, organizations, and institutions in society. It contains general instructions about what is allowed, required, or prohibited. Through the coordination of administrative processes, including the law, courts, and law enforcement, the law ensures that individuals comply with established standards and face the consequences of committing a crime. It aims to enforce decisions, ensure justice, protect rights, and provide a framework for resolving disputes. Law comes from different types, such as criminal law, which deals with crimes and punishments, civil law, which deals with disputes between parties, and laws that regulate government structures and fundamental rights. It evolves to address changing societal needs and technological advancements while upholding the principles of fairness and equity. Essentials of law. Order and stability. Law establishes a framework for organized and predictable interactions. Justice. It ensures fairness, protects rights, and rectifies wrongs. Rights protection. Law safeguards individual freedoms and prevents abuses. Enforcement. It holds individuals accountable and provides remedies for harm. Dispute resolution. Law offers structured methods for resolving conflicts. Adaptation. It evolves to address changing societal needs and challenges. Public good. Law promotes societal welfare by regulating industries and ensuring safety. Consistency. It treats similar cases similarly for predictability. Balance of power. Law limits authority and establishes checks and balances. Legal certainty. It provides clarity about rights and obligations for informed decisions. Functions of law. We can divide functions of law into the following two types. 1. Primary functions of law. 2. Secondary functions of law. Primary functions of law. Here are a few primary functions of law. Social order and stability. One of the core functions of law is to establish a system of rules and regulations that maintain social order and stability. Laws provide a framework that guides individual behavior, preventing conflicts and promoting a harmonious coexistence within society. 2. Justice and fairness. Law serves as a vehicle for justice by ensuring that individuals are treated fairly and equitably. It provides a mechanism for addressing wrongs and seeking redress for those who have been harmed or wronged. 3. Protection of rights. The law protects the rights and freedoms of individuals and prevents the violation of personal rights. It enables people to live without fear of injustice. 4. Dispute resolution. Legal systems offer structured mechanisms for resolving disputes. Courts provide a neutral platform where both parties can present evidence and arguments that will lead to a fair decision and resolution. 5. Enforcement. Laws have been established regarding the consequences of crimes and make individuals and organizations responsible for their actions. This policy prevents bad behavior and encourages good behavior. 6. Law and order. Law plays an important role in regulating all levels of society, from economic activities to public safety standards. It sets standards for behavior and interaction, prevents abuse, and ensures ethical behavior. 7. Public safety and health. Legal systems set safety standards to ensure that the health and welfare of the same persons are protected. The law also addresses issues of public concern such as environmental protection and consumer rights. 8. Balance of power. Politics limits the balance of power by creating checks and balances in government. It ensures that no place or person uses power uncontrolled. 9. Adapting to change. The law continues to evolve to adapt to societal changes, technological shifts, and new challenges. This change ensures that the legal system remains current and effective over time. 10. Privacy policy. The law provides a clear and predictable framework for individuals and businesses to understand their rights and responsibilities. This fact supports informed decision-making and stable interactions. Secondary functions of law. Law also has many secondary functions, which are described below. 1. Education and training. Law is the basis of education. It ensures that individuals and organizations become aware of their rights, responsibilities, and social behaviors. Legal documents such as statutes and laws provide guidelines for behavior. Example: consumer protection laws inform consumers about their rights to access safe products and accurate information. Laws and regulations also inform the public about tax rights. 2. Change. Legislation can contribute to social change by addressing cultural changes and problems. Legal reform involves changing behavior and solving emerging problems, promoting participation and fairness. Example: laws recognizing same-sex marriage reflect changes in society's view of marriage and support equal rights for LGBTQ+ individuals. 3. Financial development. The Constitution provides the legal framework that supports business transactions, contracts, and property rights. This stability stimulates economic growth and encourages investment. Example: contract law allows parties to make agreements with confidence, improve business, and increase business success. 4. Protecting the business. Laws and regulations prevent exploitation by establishing ethical standards. The law protects workers against unfair treatment and exploitation by ensuring job security and fair wages. Example: labor laws set maximum working hours, minimum wage requirements, and rules that prevent workers from working. 5. Protection of culture. The law has the ability to protect culture by protecting culture, language, and historical artifacts from damage or destruction. Cultural protection laws aim to ensure respect for diversity. Example: the right to preserve indigenous languages helps preserve the culture and heritage of indigenous communities. 6. Environmental protection. The law establishes regulations to protect the environment, promote sustainable practices, and reduce the impact of human activities on nature. Environmental laws set guidelines for waste management, pollution control, and conservation. Example: environmental regulations require companies to reduce carbon emissions, promote clean energy, and contribute to the fight against climate change. 7. Resolution of international disputes. International law provides a mechanism for resolving disputes between states through mediation. International treaties and agreements help maintain relationships. Example: the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, UNCLOS, sets a legal limit to prevent disputes at sea. 8. Social integration. The law promotes integration by preventing discrimination and promoting solidarity. Anti-discrimination laws ensure that people are treated fairly regardless of their background. Example: anti-discrimination laws prohibit social relationships based on factors such as race, gender, or religion and encourage social interaction and sharing together. 9. Preventing anarchy. Laws prevent chaos and anarchy by establishing rules of conduct and providing established procedures for resolving problems. It provides peace to resolve conflicts. Example: the law prevents people from taking the law into their own hands by reporting the consequences of crimes such as violence and torture. 10. Encourage criminal action. The law holds individuals, organizations, and institutions accountable for their actions. Legal frameworks, such as accountability and regulatory frameworks, encourage behavior. Example: corporate governance rules ensure transparency and protect the business environment by holding companies' senior managers responsible for their decisions and actions.